The natural world is a symphony of sounds, a ballet of movements, a tapestry of scents. Animals, from the smallest insects to the largest whales, are constantly sending and receiving signals. These signals, the very foundation of animal communication, are essential for their survival. Without communication, animals wouldn't be able to find mates, raise young, warn each other of danger, or even find their next meal. Every chirp, growl, posture, and scent carries a message, weaving a complex web of information that shapes the lives of all creatures. Imagine a mother deer and her fawn. The fawn, small and vulnerable, stays close to its mother, guided by her soft calls and gentle nudges. A change in her posture, a flick of her tail, or a snort of alarm can instantly convey danger, sending the fawn running to safety. Understanding animal communication provides us with a glimpse into their world, revealing the intricate ways they interact with each other and their environment. It allows us to appreciate the complexity of their social structures, their intelligence, and their emotions. Sound is a powerful tool for communication, traveling long distances and cutting through darkness and dense vegetation. Animals use a vast repertoire of sounds, each carrying a specific meaning for their kind. Birds are masters of vocal communication, from the melodic songs of nightingales used to attract mates to the harsh warning calls of crows alerting their flock to danger. Each sound conveys a specific message. In the ocean depths, whales communicate over vast distances using a symphony of clicks, whistles, and songs. These sounds, some of the loudest produced by any animal, can travel hundreds of miles through the water, allowing whales to stay connected even when they're miles apart. Even insects, despite their small size, use sound to communicate. Crickets chirp by rubbing their wings together, creating a mating call that attracts females. While sound is a powerful form of communication, body language is equally important. Animals use a vast array of postures, gestures, and facial expressions to convey messages. A dog's wagging tail, a cat's arched back, a bear's raised hackles. These are all examples of body language that communicate clear messages. These visual cues often accompany vocalizations, adding another layer of meaning. In the animal kingdom, size often matters, and animals use their physical presence to communicate dominance or submission. A silverback gorilla, with its impressive size and silver back, uses posture and displays of strength to maintain order within its troop. Facial expressions, though subtle, play a significant role in communication, particularly in social animals like primates. A chimpanzee's bared teeth is a clear sign of aggression, while a relaxed, open-mouthed expression signals contentment. While we humans rely heavily on sight and sound, the world of scent, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in animal communication. Animals use scents or pheromones to mark their territory, attract mates, and even recognize individuals. Dogs, with their highly sensitive noses, live in a world of scent. They use urine and feces to mark their territory, leaving messages for other dogs that pass by. These scent markings convey information about the dog's identity, health, and reproductive status. Many animals, including insects, reptiles, and mammals, use pheromones to attract mates. These chemical signals, often released into the air or water, can travel long distances, drawing potential partners from afar. Ants, for example, use pheromone trails to guide their nestmates to food sources. These trails, invisible to the human eye, create a scented highway that allows ants to efficiently gather resources and maintain their complex colonies. Section 5. Finding a mate. Love is in the air and water and ground. Finding a mate is essential for the survival of any species, and animals have evolved elaborate ways to attract potential partners. Communication, in all its forms, plays a crucial role in the intricate dance of courtship. For birds, song is often the key to winning a mate. Male birds use their voices to advertise their fitness and attract females. The more complex and melodious the song, the more attractive the male. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, use bioluminescence, a form of chemical light production, to attract mates. These insects light up the night with their flashing signals, creating a mesmerizing display that helps them find and court potential partners. In the ocean, whales use their haunting songs to attract mates. These songs, which can last for hours, are complex and varied, and scientists believe they play a role in mate selection. Section 6. Family Matters: Raising Young with Cues. Communication is essential for raising young, ensuring their survival and teaching them the ways of their species. Parents use a variety of signals to guide, protect, and educate their offspring. Birds use a combination of calls and visual cues to teach their young how to fly, forage for food, and avoid predators. Chicks learn to recognize their parents' calls, ensuring they receive the care and protection they need. In the animal kingdom, play is an important part of development, and communication plays a crucial role in these interactions. Young animals learn social cues and boundaries through play, developing the skills they need to navigate their social world. Even in the ocean depths, communication is vital for raising young. Dolphin mothers use whistles and clicks to stay in contact with their calves, guiding them through the water and teaching them how to hunt. Section 7. Watch out. Warnings and alarms. In the wild, danger lurks around every corner, and animals rely on communication to stay safe. Warning signals, whether vocal, visual, or chemical, are crucial for survival, allowing animals to alert each other to threats. Many animals have evolved alarm calls, specific vocalizations that signal danger. These calls are often short, sharp, and easily recognizable, allowing for rapid communication of threats. Some animals, like skunks, use scent as a defense mechanism. When threatened, a skunk will spray a foul-smelling liquid, deterring predators and giving itself time to escape. Visual displays, like the flashing colors of a startled butterfly or the puffed-up posture of a threatened cat, can also serve as warnings, deterring predators and signaling that they are not easy prey. Section 8. Communication breakdown. When signals get crossed. While animal communication is generally effective, there are times when signals get crossed, leading to misunderstandings or even conflict. Different species may misinterpret each other's signals, and even within a species, communication can break down. For example, a bird's alarm call, intended to warn its own species of a predator, may be misinterpreted by other bird species, causing unnecessary panic. Competition for resources such as food, mates, or territory can also lead to communication breakdowns. Animals may use aggressive displays or vocalizations to intimidate rivals, and these signals can escalate into physical confrontations. Even within a social group, communication breakdowns can occur. Misunderstandings over dominance hierarchies, mating rituals, or resource allocation can lead to conflict within a group. Section 9. Understanding to protect. Conservation through communication. As humans continue to encroach on the natural world, understanding animal communication becomes increasingly important for conservation efforts. By deciphering the language of animals, we gain valuable insights into their behavior, social structures, and habitat needs. This knowledge can help us develop more effective conservation strategies. For example, understanding how animals communicate about food sources can help us protect critical habitats and ensure their access to essential resources. Understanding how animals communicate about threats can help us mitigate human-wildlife conflict. By learning to recognize and interpret warning signals, we can avoid inadvertently triggering defensive behaviors and reduce the risk of harm to both humans and animals. Ultimately, by listening to the language of animals, we gain a deeper appreciation for their intelligence, complexity, and vulnerability. This understanding fosters empathy and respect, inspiring us to protect these amazing creatures and the habitats they depend on.